क्वेश्चन बोलोगी ये, यू टू कन्वर्ट किलोमीटर पर आवर टू मीटर पर सेकेंड। स्कूल जो किया है मेथड 1, it is not using dimensions, without dimensions. 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 1 kilometer is how many meters? 1000 meters. 1 hour is how many seconds? Cancel. 10 by 36, 5 by 18 meter per second. So 1 minute to note down कर लो चेंज विदाउट डायमेंशंस। तो स्कूल च मेथड फॉलो किया किलोमीटर पर आवर is equal to how many meters per second? 1 kilometer per hour but the second method that is by dimensions. Method 2 is by dimensions. That is what you have in syllabus. Step 1. Identify the physical quantity. Yes. Something kilometer per hour is what? Distance by time, speed. So in all the numericals which we will take up today, the first part is speed. When you say speed, you can write its dimensional formula also. m0 L1 t minus. Because it is dimensional formula, that is why you can use the square bracket. Step 2, yes. N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. What does it mean? By way of example, 1 kilometer is how many meters? 1000 meters. If unit is large, kilometer is big unit. Its numerical value is small. Meter is a small unit, numerical value is large. So N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. N1, unit of what? Speed. So we will write dimensional formula m0 L1 t minus 1 is equal to N2 m0 L1 t minus 1. This is system 1 in which you are saying kilometer per hour. This is system 2 where you are saying meter per second. So N1 is given to you 1. Mass is of no use. In both cases mass is not given, not required. Length in system 1, yes. Yes, length is kilometer. Time in system 1, hour. In system 2, we want to find out. This is something which you want to find out. Mass again is of no use. Length, meters. Time, second. Completed, 3 minutes, 1 full page. Step 4. Again it is rearrangement of step 3. N2 is equal to what? N2 is equal to N1 M1 by M2 power dimension 0 L1 by L2 power 1 T1 by T2 power minus 1 is equal to, yes, again N1 is equal to what? 1. This is of no use. M1 and M2, whatever this value is, power is how much? 0. Even if it is given, 2's power 0 is 1, 3's power 0 is 1. Here it is not given. Even if it is given, if this power is 0, this comes out to what? 1. L1, first system, 1 kilometer. L2, 1 meter, power 1. T1, yes, first system, 1 hour. Second system time is 1 second, power is minus 1. Now, we need to work out the same units. It is kilometer, this is meters, not workable. You will have to change kilometer to meters. R, this is seconds. You will have to change it to same, that is R you will change it to seconds. So what you get is 1 kilometer is 1000 meter over 1 meter. 1 hour is how many seconds? 3600 seconds. R is minus 1. 1 meter cancel, 1000. 3600 power minus 1. That means 1 by 3600. Second cancel. So what you get is 2 zeros cancel. 10 by 36 is what? 5 by 18. So N2 is equal to 5 by 18. The answer comes out to be same. 1 kilometer per hour is equal to how much? Yes, 5 by 18 meter per second. The second method is by dimensions. 2 minutes to complete. 2 minutes to complete. Example number 2. 1 Newton is equal to how many dynes? That is what the question is. 1 Newton is how many dynes? Procedure. Step 1. Yes, help. Notes band. Step 1, anyone? याद है किसने? Yes. 1 Newton is equal to how many dynes? Identify. The physical quantity. Yes, bolo. Newton, dyne, that means you are talking about force. And you can also write dimensional formula for force. In case of a given numerical, in case you don't know dimensional formula for a physical quantity or a constant, then you can refer to the table. Fine. Here, it is known to you. M1, L1, T minus. N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. 3. N1 U1 is M1 L1 T minus 2 is equal to N2 M1 L1 T minus 2. This is for system 1. You need to mark this 1 later on. That means don't write like M1 1, L1 1, T minus 2 1. Don't write this like this. First write dimensions, then say system 1 and system 2. N1, 1 Newton. N1 is given 1. N2 you have to find out. This is what type of system? Newton is which unit? System, which system? SI, it is SI. Dyne is what? CGS. In SI, mass is kg, length is meter, time is second. M2, CGS, mass, gram. Length, time. Pen down this part, 3 minutes, then 2 minutes more to try. Total time is 5 minutes. If you can solve it, it is over. Anyone with the answer, please? 2 minutes more. Try karo, shabash. Step number 1, all of you have written. Step 1. Step 2, everybody has written. 1 minute more. N2 is unknown. Write N2 on one side. Step 4. N2 is equal to N1 M1 by M2 power 1 L1 by L2 power 1 T1 by T2 power put M1 is equal to 1 kg, M2 is equal to 1 gram. Put L1 is equal to 1 meter, L2 is equal to 1 centimeter. put T1 is equal to 1 second and T2 is also equal to 1 second. N1 is how much? 1. M1, that means SI, 1 kilogram, 1 gram. L1, 1 meter, 1 centimeter, 1 second, 1 second, power minus 2. This is 1 kg, this is 1 gram. 1 kg is how many grams? 1000 grams by 1 gram. 1 meter is how many centimeter? 100 centimeter by 1 centimeter. 1 second by 1 second, power minus 2. 1, this is how much? Gram cancel, 1000. Centimeter cancel, 100. 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 5. So N2, we started with this value is 1 Newton is how many dynes? Answer is 10 to the power 5 dynes. So procedure pata lag gaya? So from the given type, if you can solve one question, that means you have the knowledge. What is the use of the other questions? Practice, skill. So that in case you encounter any question, you can answer it. Now, we will take up numerical number. Three. Numerical number 3. Based on the same type. Question is, when 1 meter, 1 kg and 1 minute are taken as fundamental units, the magnitude of force, underline force, is 36 units. What is the value of this force on CGS system? Numerical 3. One system. Another system, CGS. In this system, 1 meter is length. kg bolo? 1 kg mass, 1 minute is time, and on this system force is 36. There is no such system, nothing to worry about. Examiner has come out with a hypothetical system. Let us assume there is a system. You have to find out that this force is how many units on CGS. C for centimeter, G for gram, time second, 1 second. Proceed. 3 minutes. Write first 3 steps. Time with you is 3 minutes. First 3 steps. Step 1. Yes. Yes, help me identify the physical quantity. It was simple because given in the question itself, it is force. Dimensional formula for force 2. Yes. N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. Step 3. N1 dimensional formula for M, L, M1 L1 T minus 2 is equal to N2 M1 L1 T minus 2. This is system 1, this is system 2. N1 is, say this is system 1, 36 units of force is equal to how many on second system? N2 you have to find out. Write the unit for M1, for M2, L1, L2, T1, T2. Try. M1 is, yes, mass in system 1, kg, length in system 1, meter, time in system 1, minute, mass in system 2, yes, 1 gram, length in system 2, centimeter, time in system 2, 1 second. Now try 2 minutes more, 2 minutes more to try. One minute more. Step 1, if you have written step 1 and step 2, step 4, N2 is equal to N1, M1 by M2, power 1, L1 by L2, power 1, T1 by T2, power is minus 2. N1 is what? 36. M1 is what? 1 kg. M2 is what? 1 gram. L1 is 1 meter. L2 is 1 centimeter. T1 is 1 minute. T2 is what? 1 second. Put all these values from the previous step. N1 is, yes, 36. M1 is 1 kg. M2 1 gram. L1, L2, T1 1 minute. T2 This is 1 kg, 1000 grams divided by 1 gram. 1 meter is 100 centimeter divided by 1 centimeter per 1. 1 minute, yes, 60 seconds per minus 2. Gram, gram cancel. 36 into 1000 into 100. 60 is power minus 2. 1 by 60 is power 2, that means 1 by 3600. 3600 cancel. What you get is 10 raised to the power 3. What 10 power 3? CGS system. Force, which was question mark, is 10 power 3 in CGS system. Even if you don't know that it is dyne, you can write 10 raised to power 3 in CGS system. But by virtue of practice, knowledge, we know it is dyne. This was numerical number 3. Try numerical number 2. Question is, convert a power, underline power of 1 megawatt. Mega is 10 power 6. Kilo is 10 power 3. Mega is 10 power 6. So power is given how much? 10 raised to the power 6 watt. On a system whose fundamental units are, change it to a system, fundamental units are 10 kg, 1 decimeter and 1 minute. So first define what the problem is, then solve. Try. Question is simple. 1 megawatt means 10 raised to the power 6 watt is equal to how much on another system? What kind of system it is? Where? Yes. Mass. This system, for this system mass, fundamental unit on this is 10 kg. Length 1 decimeter. Deci कितना होता है? 1 by 10. Centi 1 by 100. Centimeter 10 raised to power minus 2. Deci 10 raised to power minus 1. And time 1 minute. So this is SI. Numerical value is given to another system. What type of system? Where fundamental mass, length and time are given. So solve. Write first 3 steps. Try करो, गलत हो जाए कोई टेंशन नहीं करनी. what? Power. Power is what? Dimensional formula for power. Power is equal to work by time, energy by time. So dimensional formula of energy divided by dimensional formula of time. Work the dimensional formula की बोलो, help कर देना. Power is equal to work by time. Dimensional formula for work is m1 L2 T minus 2 divided by time. m1 L2 T minus. First 3 steps. Try first 3 steps. Step 1. Identify the physical quantity. Yes. Power. Dimensional formula for power is m1 L2 T minus 3. Yes. N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. N1 dimensional formula m1 L2 T minus 3. This you can keep as a concept separate. Is equal to N2 m1 L2 T minus 3. This is system 1. This is system 2. N1 is how much? 10 per 6 watt. N2 you have to find out. In SI, this is SI watt, this is SI. In SI, mass is 1 kg, length is 1 meter, time is 1. Another system where mass is 10 kg, length is 1 decimeter, time is 1 minute. You have to find out N2, so keep N2 on one side and shift the whole arrangement to the other side in the denominator. Anyone with the answer, please? 2 minutes more. N2 is equal to N1 M1 by M2 power 1, L1 by L2 power 2, T1 by T2 power . Yes, M1 how much? 1 kg, M2 10 kg, N1 is how much? 10 per 6. M1 is 1 kg, M2 is 10 kg. L1 is 1 meter, L2 is 1 decimeter. T1 is 1 second. T2 is 1 minute. Per minus 3. Now solve. 10 raised to power 6. 1 kg, 10 kg. This is workable. 1 by 10. Kg, kg cancel. This is 1 meter. 1 decimeter is 1 by 10 meters. Power 2. 1 second. 1 minute is how many seconds? 60 seconds. Per minus 3. So, it is 10 raised to power 6. 1 by 10. 10 ऊपर चला जाएगा. 1 by 10 है. It is 10. 10 the power 2. This is, yes. Second cancel. 1 by 60 power minus 3 means 60 power 3 is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 is 216. 216 into 10 raised to the power. Yes, 10 or 2.16 into 10 raised to the power 12. In which system? Another system defined by the examiner. There is no such system. Fine? It's a hypothetical system given by the examiner.